In 1937, the gunfire at Lugo Bridge shattered the long night. Shanghai fell. Guangzhou fell. China's connection with the outside world was almost completely severed. At this moment of national peril, the Yunnan-Burma road became China's last lifeline. Stretching 1,145.4 kilometers, cutting through the Hongduan Mountains, spanning the treacherous Nujiang River. The road was open, the materials ready, yet there was a fatal problem. Across the whole country, there were not enough drivers. In 1939, an urgent telegram arrived in Singapore. Patriotic overseas Chinese leader Tang Ka-ki immediately issued the sixth announcement of the Nanyang Federation of Overseas Chinese. The announcement shook the entire Nanyang region, as Southeast Asia used to be known. Within days, long lines formed at registration offices. Barbers set down their scissors. Teachers closed their textbooks. Shopkeepers left their counters. Some were under 18, lying about their age. Some hid their real names, keeping the truth from their families. Some even sold their property to fund their own journey. They all shared a single belief to support to the motherland's war effort. Lu Ruiqi signed up without telling his parents, wife, or child. Lin Chongzai from Anxi County in Fujian gave up his gold jewelry workshop and over 6 hectares of rubber plantations in Sarawak to return home and fight. Bai Shijiao, 25, also from Anxi in Fujian, was a teacher in Penang City, Malaysia. One of the very few women among the overseas Chinese drivers, she signed up the moment she saw the recruitment notice, taking the alias Shi Xiagui. She left her parents a letter before departing. Home is what I cherish. My parents and siblings are whom I love, but my broken motherland is what I remember and love even more. Her letter was later published in the Kwangwa Yitpa newspaper in Malaya, inspiring many more patriotic overseas Chinese to join the cause. In 1939, some 3,200 young Nanyang Chinese crossed the seas in 9 groups to return home. Upon returning to the motherland, they took off their ties, gripped the steering wheel, and plunged headlong into the road of death. Above, enemy bombers; below, bottomless chasms. For 3 years, they braved blood and fire, transporting 500,000 tons of military supplies, an average of 300 tons a day, supporting half the battlefield of the War of Resistance. Yet nearly 1,800 of these drivers never returned, their lives forever left on that road. At the Fujian Overseas Chinese Museum, a permanent exhibition hall honors these heroes and their belongings. The Overseas Chinese Drivers Research Center at Huazhou University has become a key academic base for this history. Every Qingming festival, the murmuring Minjiang River, the wind in Yunnan's pines, and the tides of the Nanyang Islands still carry their story. Those sons and daughters of Fujian used their lives to define the profound meaning of love for one's country and hometown. They were not only transporters on the Yunnan-Burma road, but also inheritors of the Chinese nation's unyielding spirit. Today, as our convoys pass smoothly through modern expressway tunnels, we must not forget the Fujian faces who, over 80 years ago, carved a path to survival along the edge of life and death.